Hi, my name is Malvina. I am a skincare specialist at Vancouver Laser, and I'm going to show you how I get ready in the morning. First things first, we're going to get this hair out of the way. I start off with a cleanser. I use the Zio Gentle Cleanser. It's really good at removing my makeup, dirt and oil, and it feels really fresh and nice and also smells delicious. So I like to do a little dollop right there on my hands, and I just turn some warm water on and do a little sudsy cleanse. The second step is using this exfoliating polish. It removes dead skin cells and leaves your skin feeling super soft. I just take a little bit like that and I prep it with some water and do a circular motion on my skin. Definitely want to target my T-zone. That's where I get a lot of oil buildup and blackheads. Now my skin is feeling squeaky clean and you can see how shiny it looks. Look at my forehead. I like to use these Zio Acne pads. They have some salicylic acid, so it's an extra layer of exfoliation, but you don't want to exfoliate too much. This I use once a day. The exfoliating polish that I used previously, I use only twice a week. The pads also have a little bit of a grittiness to it, so it does remove any excess dead skin cells that you have. Also preps your skin for your serums, and it feels really refreshing. Now we're ready for our daily serums. So it's what you put on after you've cleansed your skin. I like to keep it simple. I use the exfoliating accelerator. So you can see a pattern here. I do like to exfoliate. It's what keeps my skin looking bright and smooth. So I just do a pump and a half, focus it on my T-zone where I get lots of oil. I like to bring it down to my neck. You can't neglect your neck. You should really take it down to your chest too. Then I like to put a antioxidant serum, the Daily Power Defense. It's one of my favorite products. It's a really nice and light moisturizer and a powerful antioxidant for skin brightening. 1 to 1.5 pumps of that. Refreshing. And now I'm ready to put on my daily makeup.